We have three different kinds of facilities here. We have truly a library, a traditional library. We have a traditional community center with basketball and games and programs, computers and all that stuff. And then we have a park here with amazing playground and a field that you can play soccer or anything else you want. So all these things come together to give kids and seniors and families choices. And there's truly something for everybody and every need. We had a soft opening this week, but the ribbon cutting really represented the United Nations that is Lorton. Not only the kids, the youngest to the oldest, to the elected officials and others who really help reflect the broad diversity that is Lorton.
The new Lorton Library is a really beautiful rendering of what we heard as feedback from the community, as well as opportunities to expand on services that had already been provided. It has all of the typical pieces that you'll see in a Fairfax County Public Library branch. It has bright open spaces with lots of books. It has technology equipment available, but this branch also has a dedicated enclosed teen room, including a game center, a really big quiet study room for folks who maybe are educating or working and just need a little quiet space. And of course, the key point of this whole facility is the children's section at the very back. Whether you're here today for the ribbon cutting or any other day of the week, we're delighted to have you come in, use facility resources, check out some books, take in a story time, or whatever else our library can do for you.
The overall goal is to continue to work with these agencies. I think it's a great opportunity for this community to come and be able to have access to the libraries, have access to the senior center, teen center, and the youth center, the SAC program. So the fact that the three agencies were able to come together and pull this off has been a great asset to the community.